If you like to drink your breakfast in the morning, then this delicious concoction is for you. Rich chocolate banana peanut butter oat smoothie. Let's learn how to make it. To your blender, you're going to add frozen bananas, some oatmeal, the milk of your choice, unsweetened cocoa powder, chia seeds for added nutrition, creamy peanut butter, Greek yogurt, vanilla extract, and a squeeze of honey if you like things sweet. It's time to blend. Pour it in your favorite glass, and it's ready to serve. It's really easy to make, 10-15 minutes tops, made with simple ingredients everybody has at home. Recipe link in the description below. Give it a try.